Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. So this video is yet again a shopping video, but this one is quite different. So let's see what it is. So as you can already see in the video that this place has great sale. So this place is nothing but as the MK retailer. So this is established in 1927 and it is located in CMH Hospital Road. So this place is very nearby to people who stay in Indranagar, CMH Road, Koramangala, because this place has an amazing sale going on right now on crockeries, handbags, everything. So MK retailers have a great sale going on this year. So this place is very walkable from CMH Hospital, which is Chinmay Mission Hospital. It just takes 2 minutes from hospital to reach here. So you can easily find this place. It is a 3-floor building. So this is just the entrance of the store. So they have a big building which I'll be showing you all. So just look at all these glass items. They are so beautiful and very affordable. They also have 70% off. These all are the clearance sale which is going on right now. So now let's enter the store and check out what all they have. So in the ground floor it is all about groceries, so which I didn't wanted to show you all because you all will get groceries every place. So in the first floor you get everything starting from dog items to plants, many more. So I'll quickly show you all one by one. So all these are the pots. They have different kind of pots starting from hanging pots to simple plain pots. These all have off, which is 20% off. So this one is a spraying bottle. And if you have a pet at home, so this place has an amazing collection. So these are called as the body belt for dogs. So this one is very strong so that your dogs can't bite the body belt, and this one is very reasonable. So depending on the dogs, if it is a smaller one or a bigger one, they have leashes over here. So if it is a smaller dog, they have this beautiful small leash, and everything is so reasonable starting at ₹30. So they have different collections over here. It's not like the same collections what DMart and other stores have. This is quite different. They have some beautiful tiny products over here. So this one is a dining table cover. So this one has an offer going on. So it is a dining table mat. So the ironing mat, it is for ₹450, which is the MRP, and on discount you get it for $199. So MK retailers also have footwear, socks and daily wear slippers at home which are very comfortable. So these are the car pillows which you can keep it to your car. So they have it in different colors. So if you want to gift someone anything that you want, then come over here. They have an amazing gifting products over here, and all the prices are very reasonable. Just look at the small tiny black boxes. So these are some makeup kits and many more they have. So they also have toys and they have sale on everything. Don't worry, they have sale on each and every product. So many of you were requesting me to show where do you get makeup organizers. So here it is. So over here they have large collections of makeup organizers starting from smaller one to bigger one, and everything is on sale, which is 20% off to 30% off. So you can also check my Big Bazaar video, because even in that they have the makeup organizers. So even this place has the makeup organizers. Do check it out. If you really want to invest on one of the best organizers, then come over here. You can also check Amazon. Even they do have the best organizers, but please visit the store instead of going online. So they also have some birthday items, some cake molds and many more. So some use and throw disposal boxes. So in this you can pack food and you can use it and then throw it. They also have large varieties in that, some cups, plates and many more. So this section has all the birthday related items. So I've already made a video of that. Do check it out. So these are called as the fridge magnets. So you can just stick them to your fridge and this looks very beautiful. They have some spoon, flowers, cherries and many more. So this counter has dinner sets, plates, bowls and glasses, and as you can see that everything is on sale starting from 20% to 30 and 70% too. So people who stay in Indiranagar, 100 Feet Road, Koramangala, Domlur, please visit MK Retailers because they have an amazing collections. And if you're new to this place, do check it out. So here are some beauty related products. So they have hair wrap, pedicure items, eyelash curlers. So here ends the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.